let's go get some coffee. First a lash curl. Okay, we're ready. They're moving forward. They're moving forward finally. Do I have my debit card on me? I do. And I have my gourmet latte card. I've been in this line for a good 12 minutes, but I'm finally up. Hi.
Thanks for waiting.
Yeah, of course. Can I get an iced 16-ounce toffee latte?
Yep, regular milk, okay?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you. Fire. Thank you so much.
Thanks, have a good day.
You too. I gave her a $1 tip even though that was the slowest line in my whole entire life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this vlog. I just got my coffee. I just got a little toffee latte. It does pass the taste test. It's really good, but I am running late to my hair appointment because I booked a hair appointment on the day I'm supposed to have a flight at 7 p.m. Priorities, am I right? And I had not packed a single, like when I tell you a single item, I mean a single item has not entered the suitcase. I'm also starving, and coffee I heard is not the best thing to have on an empty stomach, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. So I am keeping it long, but I just wanted to freshen up the layers and the face framing. I think it'll be perfect because Cali, I'm gonna be in Cali for the next week. Okay, I just parked, but this is my hair before. Pretty lengthy, but I just think a little trim layer freshen up will be perfect for California. Look at my hair! It just really needed that trim to it is so much better, and if you don't think it is, then you're my D1 hater. I literally love it. Do you see these layers? And she said my hair was so healthy, and it's just it's exactly what I asked for. I'm gonna go to Target because I forgot my cellar water, and I wanna take off my makeup and go to the tanning bed right here. Down bad, I want to get a tan for me. I'm on my new camera right now, the one that tracks my face. If you watched my last vlog, you would know about this camera. I'm freaking obsessed with it. I got home a little bit ago and just touched up my hair with my Dyson and redid my makeup after the bed. And we're gonna open a few PR packages. I'm opening the ones that seem most interesting because I'm thinking maybe there's gonna be stuff that I want to bring. So time check, it is 1:23. I actually leave in 4 hours and 40 minutes. Still have not packed a single thing. So let's open the box. Okay, I don't know if this lighting's good, but sorry if it's not. I thought it might be fun to start incorporating 5 or 6 PR packages every vlog I do instead of just doing big ass PR hauls because I do get a ton of PR. And sometimes going and saving a bunch of stuff is low-key a pain in the butt. Girl, we're trying to move here and I have 70 boxes sitting in my garage, all labeled for me. So I'm just gonna start opening a few in every single vlog. We're gonna start off with this Caudalie X Sephora one. Cute. It's their new lotion, Premier Crew. Caudalie Eye Cream. ASMR. Next up, we have Glossier, one of my favorite places to get PR. Okay. Their new Ultra Lip Arrivals. They gave me the shade Flute and Crest. One's a red and one's a brown. Okay, sometimes all you need to do is pull your hair back. Sometimes I just can't handle hair. Next up, my dear amazing friend Lauren Kim just came out with a little line with Beginning Boutique. I actually did open this already a little bit and got a sneak peek, but I'm gonna open it again with you guys. She came out with a prom edit, so she sent me all of her favorite prom dresses and then this cutie little makeup bag, which is adorable. Each PR box, she said, came with a little jewelry box because I saw her unbox it on her page. So inside is the cutest little Cartier loop bracelet, and then it looks like a pair of earrings that are tangled with a necklace. Very cute. And then she sent me 3 dresses. Oh, 4! Lauren, you spoiled me. I wish I had time to try these on, but this color, girl, these are everything. Oh, there's 5 actually. Psych. Thank you so much, Lauren Kim and Beginning Boutique. I cannot wait to wear those to some fancy event that I don't know when I would be invited to a fancy event, but one day. Next up, we have Tower 28. I actually know what's in this too. I saw other people unbox it. I think it's a bunch of lip stuff, but you know me and lip stuff. So cute. Look at that. See, this is why I'm happy I unboxed it a little bit before I left, because Valentine's Day is literally tomorrow, and I wouldn't have opened this until I got home. Let's see what's inside. Bro, you spoiled me. Power 28 is one of my favorite makeup brands. Look at the back. It has like nutrition facts. That's so cute. I'm holding the mic upside down. Moving on to the box I'm actually most excited about, that I've been waiting for. It's been sitting at my house for like 2 weeks. Hollister. Whoa. Hollister X Spencer Barbosa. I've been told I look like her so many times, but she's an icon. Wait, this is perfect for Stagecoach. By the way, I'm going to Stagecoach if I didn't want to tell you that. Now you know. This is adorable. Yes! I got another Octobuddy. 2 of them, actually. Brazilian Crush 62. Sol de Janeiro. This cute little t-shirt. Wait, that's so cute. No way, no way. Bikinis. Look! That is so cute. They're like the perfect amount of cheeky. Okay, this is adorable. I don't even know if I'm gonna be swimming over there, but like I might as well bring a suit, you know what I mean? And then the matching blue bottoms. Hollister swimwear is low-key underrated. It's really good. I've always bought from them. And then lastly in here for clothes, I think this is a cover-up. So freaking cute. And then there is a beach towel also in here. I'm so thankful, and I gotta get to packing because now we're at 4 hours before I have to leave. I'm just kidding. I have one more package and I need to open it. It's from Coastal Customs. It's my favorite customizable like sweat set brand, and she decided to send me a little set and I'm so excited. She's so cute. I'm so excited right now to see what I got. Since I'm flying into LAX, do I dare wear this? That would be such a dead giveaway. LA. There's a star on the butt. LA. This is the cutest sweat set I've seen in such a long time. I'm so grateful. Now I'm actually gonna get to packing, otherwise I'm not gonna make my flight. So the main reason why I'm going to California is because tomorrow on Valentine's Day I have a addicted event I got invited to. So I'm going with my friend Bailey, which is who I'm staying with. I'm so excited. Basically my whole wardrobe I'm bringing is gonna be addicted because I got $400 worth of free clothes, and low-key the amount of clothes I got for $400 could be my whole wardrobe for the next week. I'm gonna be a walk-in sponsor and I'm not even getting paid for this, but I low-key think I want to wear this like little sweat set to the airport today over the LA one. I'm bringing lots of comfy outfits just because I'm a comfy girl. I also picked up these new Steve Madden boots yesterday. The box is kind of beat. I don't have any black boots. I think I like them, but like I'm not sure. I'm gonna try them on in a little bit with like an outfit. And I got this cute purse, and then I also got this leather jacket. My luggage is now already about 20 pounds. I also got the cutest belt I wanted to wear, and then I got like these arm cuffs. I don't know when or where I wear these, but I also went to Brain Nova. I'm gonna bring all these tops as well. 1, 2, this tank top, and then this, because I desperately want photos in this like on the beach, like so bad. And the last shopping place I went shopping at was Aritzia because they were having an activewear sale. I got this cute skirt for golf, but I'm not gonna bring it because obviously I won't be golfing. But me and Bailey are both pretty active, so I will be bringing workout sets. Oh, and I also got this hoodie, but I don't know if I should return it or not. I need to try it on really quick. It's like kind of the vintage style. I got new flare leggings that were literally 50% off, and they fit so good. I got this gray tank, but I accidentally bought 2 of them actually, so I need to see if that's returnable. And then the matching shorts with the gray tank. And you know what? I'm gonna bring these purple shorts too because they're so comfy. I don't know what material this is because all their materials confuse me. All I know is I love Aritzia activewear. I also got this sports bra all going in. I'm gonna stop talking and get to packing.